So I started with the this starting HTML code. So whenever you start any HTML file, you will encounter with this code. So that is contain of head and body tag. So first of all, we start our HTML with the help of HTML tag. Then we have this head tag. Then every tag which we will start with, and that tag also have that closing tag also available. So so without slash, every tag is start that is a starting tag, that is without head, that is the starting, which is not a closing, that is opening tag. And which tag which have that slash sign, uh, then this is the closing tag. Okay, so in HTML we also have another type of tag also available, that is self closing tag. So I will discuss about it later. So this is the HTML code. This is the first HTML file I have created for showing you how you create one HTML file. And here I have put this is our title. This is our title. This will tell you about title. Okay. So first, let me save this file. Control plus S. So I have saved this file. Now I want to open this file in our browser. So how you will open any HTML file locally in browser? You will directly go to that path. So I am going to that path directly. So this is the path that I have stored our file. So you can directly click on that. It will directly open in the any browser, or I will show you by copying the file path. Uh, can you please, Rituja, can you close your camera? So when I will copy this path, this whole path, let me copy
Sir,
here.
in property,
Okay, properties. Where? Okay, this location.
location,
Location only we will able to see the folder only. No? We are not able to see the whole path. So let it be. So when we click on this, we'll copy this path and we'll put this in any browser like that, and we'll give the name of that file one.html. So directly you can open this like that. Huh, okay, this is one.html file. So this is blank page, and you can directly go to this file also, and you click on that. It will open in the respective browser. It also open in this browser, but I'm not able to see the title of this page. So this is the blank page. This is the completely blank HTML page. Uh, okay, atom. Okay, atom also have this extension section, but actually actually I'm not have much practice about this atom. I have also have practiced on Visual Studio Code. So actually, I want to explore this Atom IDE. That's why I also using this in this course. So sorry for that, but we'll discuss about this if extension is available for this course. This Atom, I this Atom IDE. We'll discuss about this. So I hope you all understand how to make a HTML file and how to open in browser. You can directly paste the path and you can directly click on that path and directly you are able to open the file in the browser. But one thing, why I am not able to see the title of this one.html. Control plus S. I saved this. And when I go to this path, yes, when okay, I saved the file. After saving, when I refresh the page, you are able to see the title. So this is the title. This is our title, which are able to see in the uh, in browser. Okay. Okay, Tejas, yes, this is one functionality which is available in Visual Studio Code. When we click on live server in the right corner, in right corner here, we will directly open this that file in the browser. That is available, but in Atom, I don't know this facility is available or not. So please focus on the thing that I am explaining you in this Atom ID. Okay. So this is the first thing which we have discussed about how to make a one page and how to open in browser. Next, I will go with the basic tagging in HTML. So this is about the basic tagging. So let's start by exploring the basics of what an HTML file looks like and how we can open it in browser. This already I have completed how HTML file is look like and how to open in browser. This already I have completed. Next I will move to this basic tagging. Okay, and in this basic tagging, in this lecture, we'll go over basic headings and paragraphs text. So which heading tag which we have available and which paragraph tag we have available. So we'll discuss about that. We'll also show you a few resources to use as reference as you continue learning about HTML. So I will tell you some resources about also. So let's get started. Okay. So for this course, I want to do one thing. In half, I will open this Atom text editor, and in half, I will open one browser. Okay. So this will help us writing the code, and parallelly we can see the web pages by refreshing here. Okay. And you can also make your atom editor atom file like that, so you are able to see the whole code. So in this file only I will edit you all the things. So let's get started for second part, that is about basic tagging. So tags are basically a way to allow you to insert elements into an HTML file. And we are also going to be showing you a few resources to use as reference as you continue learning about HTML. So let's go ahead and get started by opening our Atom text editor. That's already open, and also a browser also I have opened. And right, I have a split screen between Atom and editor and my browser. That is already I have done, and this is actually a view where we are going to using a lot in this course because we would like to see changes and not have to jump back and forth between the browsers and the text editor. So that is actually wrong way to do these things. So this is the right way actually. So a lot of times you will see me just have a split screen like this, so I can just refresh the page in the browser where when I am actually doing edits in the Atom text editor. But before we get started on continue working with the basic HTML file from the uh, last section we have seen, what I want to discuss are two resources that online available that you are going to be running into a lot as you some Google searches for terms in case you have never need to reference some sort of resources. So when you will search HTML reference entities. So when you will search HTML reference entities, so you are able to see some websites. Okay. So working with basic HTML file like that so there I have just searched for HTML elements, HTML reference tags on Google and notice that very first we are able to see one website that is W3 Skills. Usually this websites will tell you about everything about HTML and CSS. A lot of times this is very first link that will pop up is okay W3 Skills, and W3 Schools is basically just a very large reference site for front-end web development like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And you will notice that as you go through the website, it is basically just give a bunch of resources. Let me open you for the you. So here we have many bunch of resources available about HTML, CSS. Here you can explore HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, and all these things. So most of the time, I want you will go to your own on this website and you will understand how to use this website. Okay. So if you ever Google stuffs like that and you find yourself on the this website, now feel free to back, check it out. You can directly check. Now it's an okay. Mainly the main reason you see it as the top hit just because it's been around so long and many people are using this website. Many traffics are coming on this. That's why you are able to see the first link of that website. But I would actually suggest that when you are Google searching and you come up with a reference to this one other file that is Mozilla, uh, th- that another website is also available that is developermozilla.org. Okay, this developermozilla.org, this is also very important websites and it is an HTML element reference website, and this is basically a actually reference to all the HTML elements, and HTML elements are just going to allow us to actually insert material into our HTML text file. So let me show you this website also by clicking on this. So you can find the many HTML tags and these HTML entities, and you can explore from your own. And as you go advance through this course, you are probably going to find this website is more helpful. So I just wanted to let you know that these are two resources you are going to be coming through in contact with a lot as you do some Google searching on your own. Okay. Now that we have covered that, let's jump back to the browser tab where I have this basic HTML file. So this basic HTML file I have available that we have been working with last time opened up here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up here, and to get a little more room on my screen. So I'm actually have done going to close or collapse the left tab of this Atom text editor so that I can get the more space, and that just opens and collapse that little side tab. So it really useful shortcut for the Atom text editor. You can uh, use this things by like that control plus uh, so first tag we are going to learning about here is header. Okay, so before that we will learn about the header tag in HTMLs. So you can directly type control backslash in text Atom text editor. So when you try control backslash also you can able to collapse this. So let me show you how to make some heading tag. So here in body tag I will make one heading tag that is h1 tag. Okay, so directly you can click here, and this is uh, this is heading 1, you can say. So when you save this file After save, you when you browse, you are able to see the heading. This we will remove this, and you are able to see this heading in this page. This is heading one. Okay, so if heading one is too big for you, well, you can actually have heading two also. So how to take heading two? H2 tag. This is heading two, and you will notice that this atom text editor actually provide us with these auto-complete options. So whenever you type any tag H2, H1, this atom text editor will give you one pop-up. So when you directly click on that pop-up, after that you are able to see the whole uh, tag with opening and closing tag. You will find yourself using that a lot as you continue through this course, and you will type something like this is the heading to save that, and then refresh our page. Okay, so this heading 2, and when we will refresh, you are able to see the heading 2 also. Let me show you. Okay, and you can type heading 3 also, H3. Okay, so this is the pop-up we have seen. When you type this will complete our heading 3, and you can type here this is heading 3. Heading 3. When you will when you save this file and you refresh it here, you are able to see this is heading 1, this is heading 2, and this is heading 3. So this is all about the heading tag, and you can also add H6 heading. So this is the last heading tag, H6. H1 to H6 we are using in our web pages. This is heading 6. Okay, let me save this. After saving, you are able to see this. Okay, so we have completed this heading part.
Sir,
Yes.
is it compulsory to leave the space for heading 4 and 5?
No, no, it's not compulsory. One thing I
Okay.
will tell you, this HTML is not a indentation specific language, so we can use any coding line anywhere. Okay. In Python, we are using indentation like that, but here we have not any indentation rules. Okay. So
Okay.
after doing this, when I saved this file, you are also able to see the same content. That is no difference. Okay. So we have completed this heading part. Next, we are going to do what that is a paragraph. Okay. So you can use what that is known as paragraph tag, and that's just a P paragraph tag. Okay. So I will use here just by typing P. So when you are able to this, you can complete this like that. So it will automatically complete our paragraph tag. Okay. So we can write here, this is our paragraph. This is our paragraph. Okay. After that, save this and then refresh. You will be notice that we get this is paragraph. This is just here. Okay. Uh, when I refresh, you are able to see this is our paragraph. Everyone are able to see. So this is basically in its own block, and heading are their own block as well as. Okay, so paragraph have their own blocks and headings have their own block. So paragraph text can actually create separation. So after heading, which you will take the separation. So I will see if paragraph is saying this. So after any heading, when you will type the paragraph, so automatically it will take the convenient space. Okay, when I save this, this is our title node. This I don't want to save. When I save this file, when I browse, so this automatically give us this space. Okay, so when it get displayed in my browser, it all goes into one continuous line. This paragraph. Okay, if I actually want separate blocks, I want to separate them into actual different text, which means I would need to have each of these separate lines in its two paragraph text. So one thing I want to show here, if I write each paragraph and like that, like if I type if second line, so this is our second line. This is our second line. Okay. After that, I will type the this is our third line. Okay. So it's looking like this will print like that. This is our paragraph first. Then after that, this will start from second line, and this will start from third line. But it will not like that. So I when I saved this file and refresh this, so this will come in the one line only. Um, if I want to separate these three lines, this is our paragraph, this is our second line, and if I want this separately, I need to put paragraph tag in every line. Okay, so here I need to put paragraph tag like that. Here also I will close this, and here I will start this. So after that, when I say saved this file, and now this will come in separate lines. So I hope everyone understand how to deal with the paragraph tag and how to deal with this h1 tag, h1, h2, and s3. So these are the basic tags which we will use in our course HTML. So next thing I will tell you about the list. Okay. So I hope everyone understand about this tagging of paragraph and these things. So a lot of time you want to get your information on your HTML page organized, and one way to do this is with a list. Okay. And HTML has two main types of list. That's an ordered list and an unordered list. And we can actually then add list elements to each of these types. So there are two types, ordered or unordered list. Okay, let's get started by jumping to the this atom text editor. And so this is the HTML file we are working with that. Okay, and so let me first tell you how to create ordered list. So for that, so ordered means numbered. So ordered means ordered list is numbered list. So you can see number one, the first item, number two, the second item, like that. So I will start ordered list like that from this OL. Okay. So when we'll type this OL tag, so this is means uh, ordered list. So when I will type my first list here, li, so in first list I will type uh, first item, first item, in second list I will type second item. Okay, and in okay, so this is the example of ordered list. So when I saved this file and when I refresh it, you are able to see this is the ordered list, first item and second item. Okay, so I want this web page will look like a fantastic web page. That's why I want to add one h1 tag, and this h1 tag will tell you about the web page, what we are doing right now. So what we are doing, we are uh, dealing with basic tags in HTML. Okay, so and in this we are discussing about what? Ordered list. In ordered list, I have given you two line example. There's list one, list two. I also can add one more line. This is third line. So when you save this file and when you refresh, it will look like a very good web page. First, this heading, basic text in HTML, then first item, second item, third item. So this is the ordered list actually. Ordered means number one, two, three, four, five. And I want to show you another type, that is unordered list. So for that, I will use one tag, that is UL. Okay. So UL means unordered list. And here I want to show you first tag that will show you about how to write. So here also I am putting first item. Okay. And here second item. Let save this and now you can clearly see the difference. What is ordered list and what is unordered list. In ordered list, we are getting the number 1, 2, 3, and in unordered list we are not getting any order. Okay. One more thing we can do, in ordered list we can make unordered list. So just I wanted to copy this and I want to put this un unordered list in this or between this list type. Let me show you one thing. If this is right or not. So here you can see within the ordered list, we can put the unordered tag also like that. So this is the one thing I want to show you. So we have completed some basic tagging in HTML.